I will still say this is one of the coolest phones I have seen in a hot minute when it comes to flippable, I guess, foldable cell phones. You know, like this is a flip phone, but also kind of goes on the edge of a foldable phone. So, of course, this is the Huawei brand new phone that came out around a month or so ago. And I still absolutely love it. The more I see it in person, the more I see like videos of it, the more it's just so nice. And again, I say it's a flippable, foldable, whatever you call it, because reality wise, it opens up like a passport. So it's kind of like a foldable cell phone because it opens up horizontally. Now, of course, when you put it in a vertical sense, you can use it like a vertical cell phone, or you can just use it like a normal pocket sized cell phone, which again is so freaking amazing. Then, of course, we have this other phone here, which this is from Royal, looks like. Whoa, hold up. Oh, it's one of the, okay. It's like, I don't know if this is a new cell phone that they released or this is just an older one. It might be a newer one because so many companies have been coming out with some really interesting foldable cell phones as of late, especially when you go into the Chinese market and you get to some crazy, crazy cell phones. Some of them can get kind of low key insane. Um, okay, so wait, what is he doing? Now I'm kind of interested. Okay, so he was kind of showing you could use a keyboard with it, which you can use a keyboard with majority of any Android phone. Most Android, I don't think there really is an Android that doesn't support it. As long as it supports Bluetooth, it's going to support to some degree your ability to use it with a keyboard and mouse. But again, taking a look at it once more, it's just, and it's only like $1,200. Like you could buy it right now for like $1,200, which it's a first gen product. There's not going to be too many applications that are used like that work with it because right now it's a very early first gen product. But I would definitely say the concept is there. But again, like I said, it's one of those situations where it's like I'm interested, but at the same time, I don't know how I feel about like durability and long-term durability of this device. And I know that's an issue with all foldable devices, but it really is with first gen. Like first gen products, it is such a gamble whether or not it's going to really do anything, or let alone they're going to create a second gen version of this phone. Just because, I look at it and I think it looks really cool doesn't mean anyone else will, right? It is just so small and compact. It's like that perfect size. It's like, you know how every foldable cell phone tries to, in a way, be an iPad mini, right? That's like the whole age-old thing. Like, oh, can it beat an iPad mini? Can it beat... This is an iPad mini. That's what this is. This is a miniaturized iPad mini, where it's not big enough to be like a foldable cell phone where it's like humongous, but it's just the perfect size to give you everything you need. And then a beautiful outside display and a triple camera setup, which also is really cool. And the back cover is like this felt type design, so like kind of like a fabric type design, which again, very awesome. So shout out to Techno War with a Q in there. Interesting. Shout out to him for posting this, but tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Peace out.